time no see, I guess, huh? I guess I'll start with where I've been. Oh, sorry, my ear itches. Okay, anyways, in July, I was trying to kickflip off of something at Kona, and I sprained my ankle and my foot pretty bad. I couldn't walk for like, I don't know, a week or so without like an air cast, and I couldn't skate for like a month, and that's just like so bad. But I've been skating again for a few weeks, and recently I seen Deluxe came out with a new shape, I guess. I guess long story short, the deck is 8'5" wide, 31 and like a quarter long, and the wheelbase is 13.75. And for reference, like a normal board's like 32 with like, I don't know, 14 and a quarter, at least that's what mine is. And I'm really short, so I think this could benefit me. Like, I'm only 5'4", and yeah, my board goes to like my waist, so yeah, I don't know. Also, since it's an 8'5", I had to get new trucks because I usually ride 8'2", but I wanted to get a wider board. But yeah, though, I have a hard time with tray flips and like getting them to wrap around fully, so hopefully a shorter board and a shorter wheelbase will help. The trucks also are apparently lighter than my current ones, so that's cool too. I guess these little trucks, open these first. Yeah, they actually do feel about the same, if not a little bit lighter than my current trucks. That's crazy. These are Slappys, and the hollow. I can't tell if the axle is hollow. Yeah, the axle and the kingpin is hollow. They're not the inverted ones. Cool. I like Slappy trucks. I recently got these, I don't know, like June, and I really, really like them. Here's some hardware. I wanted to switch to Allen hardware because I like how it looks, so yeah. And some bushings, because when I got these, I cracked the top bushing, this like Slappy stock one, within like 10 minutes, and I put a red independent one on top, and they've been fine ever since. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, just right off the bat, put the red one in. That's it for that. So the board has like I guess like a bottom stand, so I don't know what color it's gonna be because it says like assorted or whatever, so kind of like a surprise. I guess I'll put it this way so y'all can see first. So I don't know what color it's gonna be. So it's an anti-hero. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like teal. That's nice. Oh, wow. Right off the bat. Oh, this is so weird. It's exceptionally smaller It's very strange. Hold on. It's really weird to look at. I can't tell if I'm like tripping. Yeah. This board is used also, so it's gonna be shorter now, but this board goes hard though. Look at this. Whew.
Blunt between my lips and riding with the bitch besides me. She ducking out, she tryna sleep. I'm ducking out, I'm tryna see the road, but all I can see are four horsemen coming closer to me. I think I'm about to die with sick. Swerving out in love, fuck this bitch, it ain't my time. Let the road blow up first, then I might just close my eyes. It's all I really wanted my whole life. The universe won't know this bitch, you just another life. The sun will rise, the stars have already died. Creeping as my blood is seeping, sleeping deeper through the night so I can face my demons. Weakness seems to be that I cannot stop breathing. Death keeps cheating on my life, but now my soul is feeding.
Leaning to the fleeting up and in the street, screaming and needing, yelling and pleading. The things ain't as they seem. And Nika sneaking and tweaking because I can't stop seeking. This pain is torture of horror that I'm always conceding.